Welcoming you all. In the previous video, we were discussing about some different qualities of an auditor. We were discussing about his professional quality, his quality in honesty, his knowledge in auditing and accounting, his knowledge in business law, taxation, management system, and all these things. And in this video, we are going to see some other qualities relating to an auditor, and he should have qualification. So as we discussed in the previous video, there should be proper qualification for an auditor. He should be a chartered accountant, and according to company's ordinance, it is essential quality of an auditor also. So in order to become an auditor should pass CA examination, and he should also have sufficient number of practices also. And another one quality that is required for an auditor is he should be tactful. The auditor should be tactful in different areas while dealing with his clients or the staff. In any particular situation, auditor should deal tactfully. He should ask the questions in such a manner that it does not show about his ignorance or weakness. So while dealing with the clients and the staff, he should deal in a tactful manner. So having a tactfulness is another one quality of an auditor. Then next is maintaining secrecy. So auditor's nature of work is confidential, and he should maintain secrecy from others about the affairs of this clients, and the auditor should not disclose any secrets of his clients to anybody, because the different companies will be having different trade secrets or different marketing secrets and something like that, and the auditor will become aware about all this secrecy or all this tactfulness of the company while doing the auditing work. So an auditor should always maintain a secrecy. He should not disclose all these aspects to any other outsiders. And the next quality of an auditor is that he should have patience. So, an auditor, patience is a good quality of an auditor. Before signing on any paper, he should check the evidence and then sign it. He should never check the paper in a hurry-burry manner. So, we could have seen some members who are coming for auditing work. The company will be saying that all the auditing, all the papers and all the documents are ready. There is no need for you to check all these things. All these have been done in a correct manner, and the only thing you have to do is just to give a signature in this paper. And some auditor, they may be giving signature in the paper without, or in the documents, without having a proper check, or without checking all those aspects with evidence. So it is not a good quality for an auditor. An auditor should always possess patience to check all the evidence. He should verify all the transactions with the proper supporting evidences, and he should not check all this in a hurry-burry manner. He should take time, or he should possess the quality of patience and check all the documents with supporting evidence in order to verify the correctness of accounts. And another one quality of an auditor is critical attitude. He should examine the statements critically. He should ask various questions from the clients and try to find the contradictions. Sometimes there may be it, as you all know, we are humans, and there is chance for humans to make some frauds or some mistakes knowingly and also unknowingly. And an auditor, he should have a critical attitude, and he should always ask various questions to the client, and if he is finding any contradictions in their answers, he should try to find out by asking questions very critically to the uh, clients. And another one qualification is he should be bold and courageous. So, an auditor should be bold and courageous person. He should not be influenced by any authority. He should possess the courage to face the difference of opinion between him and client on any issue. So there are some persons, there may be some influence of the political parties, or there may be influence of some binamis. So sometimes if the auditor is not having proper, if he is not bold and if he is not courage and if he is not vigilant, then it will be very difficult for an auditor to carry out the auditing work. He should possess the courage to face all the differences in opinion between him and the client on any issues, and the auditor must be vigilant in his work also. He should always possess, or he should always proceed with his eyes open and should be alert. And another one quality of an auditor is that he should be courteous, and his attitude towards the staff or the client should be very humble and polite. He should also stress on his own staff to be courteous with the client. So this is another one important quality that an auditor should possess, that is they should be very humble and polite in their behavior. And if they are not very humble and polite in their behavior, it may create irritation to the client, and there may be some disagreements between the auditor and the clients. So an auditor should always behave in a very humble and polite manner, and not only the auditor, he will also have his supporting staffs, and he should also give information to his supporting staff that they should also be humble and polite in their behavior. And next one is independent. So the auditor should possess a quality of independency also. He should be impartial. He should not have any relations with the organization which may affect his independence. He should give his opinion independently to the top level management and also to the government. So sometimes there may be any influence in the organization, and they will be guiding the auditor. So it is the duty of an auditor to be free from all those dependents, and he should be independent in his work, and he should also give his opinion independently. And another one character or quality of an auditor is common sense. An auditor should have the quality of common sense and judgment. He may be able to assess, he must be able to assess the value of depreciation and also bad debts. So, an amount of common sense should be working in the auditor, and this is another one important quality that an auditor must possess. And there are also some other qualities that an auditor should possess. So that is, he should have an ability to communicate. That the ability to communicate is an important aspect in auditing. He should be able to prepare audit report correctly and clearly and also precisely, and he should able to communicate to his client and any other interested parties in a very good manner. So having an ability to communicate is another important quality that an auditor should possess. And he should also have the ability to do hard work. For any successful audit, an auditor must have a painstaking attitude and a willingness to do hard work. So, painstaking attitude and willingness to do hard work is another one quality that an auditor must possess. So, these are the different qualities that an auditor must possess. Hope you all have understood the different qualities of an auditor. Thank you all for listening to me.